Here's our weekly update for the portfolios. We see Cobra Euro firing off a long trade. It's been a while. It's a very selective strategy. The Italian referendum was last night and today, and the Euro has a big range today. Tick Pulse getting long on the gap up 362.50 on the trade. It's a hard trade to take sometimes, but if you know how to do it, it can be profitable. That's those are the only two trades so far in the 25K portfolio. Here are the rest of the strategies that are in the 50K, 100K, and $1 million portfolio. You see stock index swing, which is long, and soybean meal swing, which is also long. And so these are also long on gap ups and showing profits so far today. These are open position profits, and anything can happen on open position profits. But I like the trades. Here are the reports. Let's scroll back up to the top to the 25K portfolio. Up 360 last week, so it was a good week last week. The month includes December 1 and 2, the first 2 days of the month, which were Thursday and Friday last week. So there was a bit of a drawdown into the end of the week, and that's typical. We have drawdowns in the portfolios, and so that can be an opportunity to get in. And 1165 as of Friday, back up some today. So this number is with slippage and commission on the month, and so this monthly number only includes the 1st and 2nd of December, while the weekly number includes all of last week, which included November and December. So we have one of those weeks where the month starts over in the middle of the week, and so that's why the results are what they are. Up on the week, down on the first 2 days of the month, and here it is with slippage and commission. That's a 25K portfolio. In the 50K portfolio, you add 2 additional systems, and it performed better. Cobra Crude was up 855 last week on 3 trades. Big move last week in crude oil and the OPEC news, and up 1215 on the week, minus 505 on the first 2 days of the month, and Thursday and Friday of last week, minus 655 with slippage and commission. 100K portfolio, we had 5 additional systems from this point forward, and those were 3 of those traded last week, and they were all profitable. 3180 on 18 trades, and around break even on the first 2 days of the month, minus 4250. With $25 round turn slippage and commission, it's minus 242.50. And the $1 million portfolio is the same strategies as the 100K portfolio, but we add contracts. We have additional contracts. It's deleveraged a bit because we have 7 contracts on some strategies and 2 contracts on others, and so it's not the same not the same amount of leverage. We're not trading 10 contracts across the board. When we increase capital by 10, we deleverage a little bit, and up 14,560 on the week on 106 trades in the first 2 days of the month, minus 485 on 51 trades, and that's actually not 51 trades. That's the same number of trades as the 100K portfolio, but there are different contracts. This is 51 contracts traded on multiple contracts per system. And after slippage and commission, minus 1760 so far on the month, and this was the number on the week without slippage and commission. So 106 trades minus about 2,500, so about $12,000 last week on the week for the $1 million portfolio. So that's the update for the portfolios. Wanted to send that out to you. Recommend these. It's always a good time to get in, especially as the strategies go into a drawdown. So we had a little bit of a drawdown last week, but we're back up today. So I'll keep you updated on drawdown opportunities and adding contracts if you're already in and you want to add contracts based on drawdowns.